Kia ora, and welcome to this tutorial video showing you how to upload a job listing to the Local Matters website. Before we get started, please make sure that you have created an account and are logged in. You can do this by clicking the Sign In button at the top left-hand side of the Local Matters website. To list a job, you firstly need to navigate to the Jobs section of the website. You can do this from the home page by clicking here. Here you have the home page of the Jobs section. On the right-hand side here, you can find jobs that have already been listed. And on the left-hand side here is where you click to list a job. This brings you to the Add a Job Listing page. A job listing costs $68 plus GST and remains on the website for 2 weeks. Scroll down the page and you will see a few boxes that you have to fill out. The boxes with the red asterisks next to them are required fields. The boxes here should be fairly straightforward. Please note that the box that says Pay is not compulsory, so you don't have to fill that out if you don't want to. In the location box here, you can click to bring up a drop-down box where you can scroll through the options, otherwise you can type the location in the box. Each job listing requires a category so that people can find the job easily. You can scroll through this list to find the category that fits your job the best. To make it easier to search for your job, you can also add a tag. A tag is a keyword that people interested in your job may be searching. For example, if you are advertising a position for a travel agent and you selected the category Hospitality and Tourism, you can then set the tag as Travel Agent. This will mean that anyone searching for Travel Agent on the website will go straight to your listing. At the bottom here, you'll see the option to upload an image to go with your listing. This could be anything you like, such as a business logo, photo of your workplace, or even a generic image related to the field. Once you have entered all of the information, you can choose to preview the listing or to submit it. After you click Submit, it brings you to the checkout page. Some of your details may pre-populate, but if not, please enter the relevant details in each field. At the bottom of the page, you will find the final total of the package. Scroll down further and you can choose to either pay online right away with your credit card or to pay by bank transfer. If you choose bank transfer, this new page will open with details on how to make payment. You can see the invoice number here. You need to use this invoice number as the reference in your bank transfer so that we can allocate the payment to the correct listing. If you scroll down further, you will find the Local Matters bank details. Please use these to make the payment. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any further questions, please call Mahurangi Matters on 09 425 9068 or Hibiscus Matters on 09 427 8188.